This is my Yamaha Dirtbike that I found at a dump. I'm gonna try and fix it up. Let's get right into it. So this is an old two-stroke. I don't actually know what size or year it is, but that's a pretty massive head on that thing. So I think it's pretty big. Yeah, if anybody can tell me what this is, that would be sweet. I've been trying to look it up. I haven't really found anything yet. So yeah, this is basically how we got it. It's got foot pegs on the back, which I think is really cool. Passenger, or stump pegs, I guess you could use it for. Clutch feels like it's working. Front brake feels like it's working. Throttle's sticky, but working. Back brake feels good. It's not getting spark. So not getting spark. When the spark plug was in, it felt like it didn't have too much compression. But yeah, actually I'll throw the compression tester on it real quick. Never mind, that's a lot of compression. Okay, that's at 115-ish. Okay. Maybe the spark plug was loose before, because that was a lot harder to kick now than it was before. Got the spark tester on there, so let's see if she's got some spark. Oh yeah. Here, turn the lights off so that you can see better. Alright, so she's got compression, she's got spark, which I thought that it didn't have spark before. Now she just needs fuel. Haven't even looked yet. Let me get a flashlight. Looks like there's a bit of fuel down at the bottom. Smells pretty nasty, so I'll probably drain that, put some new stuff in there. Okay, turn the fuel to off. Now, should get a little catch can. Good old Solo cup. The joys of trying to do it with one hand. Okay. Well, maybe there was not even enough fuel to get into the pickup. So in that case, I might just add a bit more, drain it, slosh it around, drain it through, then add some more and we should be good. Okay, so it was taking forever to drain, so I'm just gonna pull off the gas tank. So that'll make it a lot easier. So first we'll have to take off the seat, which is right. Yeah, the back one, both sides. So let's do that. Trying to finish. Oh, wait a minute. Oh boy. We got a loose exhaust. That's a funny looking exhaust, too. Okay, just figured out it's easier to, it's just to pull off the side thing. Just like a quick clip off of there. Another clip. Oh yeah. Now I can get a ratchet onto that. Don't know where our 1/4-inch ratchet went, so I'll be using this little green spinny handle thingy. Which isn't too bad. Okay, both of the bolts off. Let's see if that. Oh yeah. So much nicer back in the day than nowadays. Or at least on my other bike. It's a lot harder than that. Okay. Couple bolts right there. Oh yeah. Nice. It just sat in these little grooves. Nice tight fit with some rubber pieces. So there's the look without the seat, which is very interesting. I don't know if I've seen something have a shock that long before. Yeah, that's a cool design with that shock. Suspension layout. Air box and air filter there. Okay, let's get to cleaning out that gas tank. Oh yeah, also just figured out that I don't need to run mixed because it's got an oil tank, which is great. Probably still gonna run mixed in it for the first little while at least. See if it's actually using oil. Won't hurt it at all. Do another circle. Let's slosh this one around a bit. We got any leaks? This? I hate how dirt bike gas tanks have these little. They have lips inside, so you can never really get all the gas out, but it'll be okay. I could try and drain the rest out of the petcock, but, well, actually, let's do that. Okay. Blue's here. There's barely anything in there. Should be good. Alright guys, that's it for part 1. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. Next video, we may or may not figure out that we got some chunks of metal in a place where they should not be. So check out the recommended video above. See you next time.